Good morning students. Welcome to the math class. Today we will do exercise 11.2 question number 7 from chapter 11 mensuration. Question number 7. I will read the question first. Concentrate here. The floor of a building consists of 3000 tiles which are rhombus shaped. See, the tiles are in rhombus shaped. The tiles may be in this way. The tiles are in rhombus shape where all the sides have same length. How many tiles are there? 3000 tiles are there, in which are rhombus shaped, and each of its diagonals are 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter, 45 centimeter and 30 centimeter. And you know that if the two diagonals you know, then you can find the area of one rhombus. So the diagonals are given D1, say it is D1 and it is D2. Both the diagonals are given. You can easily find out the area of one diagonal, one tile which is in rhombus in shape, and find the total cost of polygon. How many tiles are there? Same shape. 3000 tiles are there. So you first of all you have to find the area of one tile. Then you will multiply this area with 3000 to find the total carpet area of that floor. Find the total cost of polishing the floor if the cost per meter square is rupees 4. This one is the next part of the sum. You have to find the cost of polishing the floor. First of all, you have to find the total area of the floor where all the tiles are rhombus in shape, and if you find the area of one tile, then it will be easy for you to find the area of 3000 tiles. So first of all, area of the rhombus is equal to half into D1 into D2, where D1 and D2 you know half into 30 into 45 centimeter square. Cancel it. 15 into 45 centimeter square. So area of one tile is equal to 675 centimeter square. So you will find the area of one tile is equal to 675 centimeter square. Area of 3000 tiles. Whatever the area of one tile, you will multiply it by 3000 and you will get the area of the 3000 tiles now easily. So 675 into 3000 centimeter square. No need to multiply it because you have to convert it into meter square also, because the cost of the polishing of the floor is given per meter square. So here our answer is coming per centimeter square. You have to convert it into meter square. Now area we are converting into meter square. As we know, 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Why? Because you know 1 centimeter is equal to you know that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So you are converting meter square to 1 meter square means 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. 1 meter square means 1 meter into 1 meter. That means 100 centimeter into 100 centimeter. So 1 meter square is equal to 10,000 centimeter square. Understood? This conversion is very important in mensuration chapters. In the sum, when you need to convert, you have to be clear with this concept. Now area is equal to 675 into 3000 divided by this, because you are converting it into meter square. Cancel this. 1 2 3 1 2 3 3. Now multiply this and this one equal to, therefore area of the floor equal to, so the area of the floor 202, you are multiplying 675 into 3, you are getting 2025. You can do this multiplication in the right side of your copy. in the rough work place. Now 10 was there, so for this 10 right hand side from one place the point will come. So 202.5 meter square is the area of the floor. Now you have to find the cost of polishing the floor, as the cost of polishing the floor per meter square cost ₹1, therefore ₹4. So cost of polishing the floor at the rate of ₹4 per meter square is, you will multiply this with 4, the result will come is the answer of this sum is 202.5 into 4 rupees. The result is multiply with the 8 yes, 810 rupees, 810. Understood? So this is the way, the step by step you have to solve the sum, and it will be easy for you. Come to the next sum. Now question number 8. Mohan wants to buy a trapezium shaped field if its side along the river, two sides are there, two parallel sides, along one side is along the river and another is along the road. So if its sides along the river is parallel to twice the side of along the road, this one is 2 times of this side. If I say take this one is x, then this one will be 2x. The side on the river is twice the parallel side on the other side of the road. So along the road. So what we have to find out? Side along the road. If the area of the field is given, area of the field, trapezium shaped field's area is given. What is the area? 10500 meter square. So 10,500 meter square, and its perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides. The perpendicular distance between the two parallel sides is given 100 meter. Find the length of the side along the river. You have to find this side. If I take this one x, then this one will be 2x. First of all, I will find out which things are given here. So the given portions are perpendicular distance 100 meter, area of the trapezium shaped field 10,500 meter square, and let the side. Now this side we don't know. If I take this side with the variable, then this one will be twice of that variable. So let the side along the road be x. Let the side along the road be x meter. Therefore side along the river will be 2 times of that length, twice. So 2x meter. Now you have to find the length of that side of the road. So of the field. Therefore what we can do? Area of the trapezium is equal to half into sum of the parallel sides. According to the question we can write, according to the question, half into sum of the parallel side means x plus 2x into height. Height is 100 meter equal to 10,500, which was already given meter square. Now if we can cancel this one as 50, so we can do 3x into 50 is equal to 10500. So we have to find the value of x. We need to find the value of x. To find the value of x, what we will do? X equal to 10,500 by 3 into 50. Cancel it, students. Now 5 2s are 5 1s are, and 0. If I cancel it by 3, then it will be 70. Therefore x is equal to 70. What is x? X is the side parallel, one of the parallel side which is close to the road, and you have to find the length of the side which is along the river. Therefore, now as the value of x is 70, so we can write that length along the side of the road is 70 meter, and the length along the river, which you have to find out, which was the question only. The length along the river 2 into 70, because twice of the length of the road along roadside, length of the roadside. So 2 into 70, that is 140 meter. So this is the answer of this sum. I think this is not very tough for you. First of all, you try to understand the concept, the question, then you will slowly try to understand how to solve the sum. Follow the video. Thank you, students.